Facebook app. Then at the top hand right corner, you click that small picture. It will take you to the menu. So you can click the arrow in front of this, your profile name. So if you have plenty pages, so it's going to give you the list of the pages. So let's take, for instance, I click this, I click my page. So it's going to switch to the page, because that's the first step you do. You switch to your page profile. So you just exercise some little patience for it to switch to the page profile. So after it has finished loading, you can click the profile picture to go to the profile. So you allow it to load very well. So now it has finished loading. You take this away from it if your own shows this. So you scroll to the post you want to boost. Let's assume we want to boost this post. Or let me go down. Okay, so let's assume we want to boost this post. You click the boost button. You allow it to load, to finish loading. Then when it finishes loading, you scroll down. You select your add objective. In this case, let's assume the add objective I want to use. So the first thing you do here is to select the add objective. I want to use send message, get message, so that people will send me WhatsApp message. So after selecting that, I can turn on this leverage Facebook data for advantage creative. So you click it to turn it on. In most cases, when you click it once, it may not turn on. So you click it 2 times for it to come on. Then you move to the next stage. The next stage is asking you for the application where you want them to send you message. Select only one. So, but in this my case, the 3 of them are selected: Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp. So I'm going to unselect Messenger. So I'm deselecting Messenger and Instagram, so that messages will come to me on WhatsApp alone. So after that, then the next thing is to go to your audience. You select your audience. If you have audience saved already, you will see the list of those audience you have already saved. But if you don't have any audience that you have saved, you can set your audience. You select people you choose through targeting. You click it. Then you click edit in front of it. So here you type your location. If it's Nigeria, you type it. If it is states you want, type the state. So let's assume I want to target Nigeria. So I select Nigeria. I click save. Then the age. Let's assume I want to target from 22 years to 50 years. I want to reach only female. So I do that. Then Here it's not allowing me to put interest and all the interest, and so I'm going to leave that and do that later. So I click save audience. Then I will allow it to finish loading. After it has finished loading, then I can scroll down and select my budget. Okay, I want the advert to run for 5 days at this amount. So I can click boost. Now, if I'm okay with every other thing, I can click boost now. So I'm doing this because in some cases when you click boost now, it takes you to where it will ask you to add money. Like in this case now, it's telling me to add money. So, and I don't want to add money. So I will just click back. Instead of these 5 days, I may want to reduce it to 1 day so that it will allow my advert to go through. Thereafter, I can go and adjust the days and the budget. So I want to reduce the money to 800 now so that it will allow the advert to be submitted. So I will click boost now. Let's see if it will go through. So you can see in this case, it's not bringing me to that page where it asks me to ask money. It has created my advert in this case. So my advert has been created and my advert is in review. So I can now go to my ad manager app to see my advert.